Hi, how you doing? On the menu today, and as you can see, just finished. We're going to make a pasta. Today I'm using a linguine. You can use any pasta that you want. We're going to make a ground beef, tomato and mushroom sauce. Very, very simple, hardly any ingredients and absolutely delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here then. So I've got some ground beef there, or minced beef, 500 grams, 1 onion sliced, 1 can of tomatoes, 400 ml, 1 tablespoon of garlic. In there, my spices today, I'm using a teaspoon each of tarragon, basil and chili flakes. You can really play around with that. Got some Parmesan cheese there. I've got a finely grated one there. You could do something different if you want. And a few mushrooms. There's like 4 or 5 mushrooms there. We're going to start us off with some oil. That's about it. Now, get your pasta ready because we're going to concentrate on just the sauce. So get your pasta cooked. I'm using a linguine today, but any pasta works. Spaghetti, penne, up to you. Let's get to the cooker. Super easy. So I've got my pot here. I've got some oil in there. I'm using the olive oil. First going to drop in my ground or minced beef. And we're going to go on a fairly lively heat for about 4 minutes. Super stuff. Very, very easy, this one. In goes our sliced onion and our garlic, chopped garlic. And again, about another 3 or 4 minutes, lively heat. Super stuff. Okay, let's get a little bit of salt in there. Let's get our herbs and spices in. So I'm going to be using some tarragon, basil and chili flakes. Some black pepper. Going to drop in those sliced fresh mushrooms. If you wanted, you can get a few green or black olives in the mix. And again, staying on this vibrant heat, we'll go for another 3 or 4 minutes. Could not be easier. Okay, let's grab that 1 can of tomatoes and get it in. Now, the tomatoes that I'm using are already chopped. If you were using plum whole tomatoes, just break them down with your spoon a little bit. Okay, let's get the heat onto a medium. Now let this go for about 5 to 6 minutes. If it dries out at all, you could possibly put in a little bit of water or maybe some red or white wine if you fancied that. See it about 5. And that's looking fantastic. That's just enough time for those tomatoes to kind of cook out in there. Let's get in our Parmesan cheese. Now I'm using a really sort of fine grated one because I really wanted to get it into the sauce. If you wanted, you could, if you want to deepen the colour of this, you could have put some tomato paste or tomato concentrate or something in. I like it just like this. And that's it. Off goes the heat. That's done. If you wanted, you could pop your pasta in and give it a mix. I'm going to serve mine on the side. Okay, and there you go. Super, super easy. Just finished that off with a little bit of chopped flat leaf parsley. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.